Detective Pikachu packs. Ah, very nice. So we got a Gyarados GX already. Ah, there we go. Detective Pikachu. Hey everyone, and welcome back. So today we have a Detective Pikachu tin lunchbox. We're gonna open that up, and then I have some team up packs as well. And so this comes with 7 Detective Pikachu packs, a collector's pin, and much more. So let's get right into this, and I'll see you after I've opened it. Alright, so got the plastic off. Took me forever and a day. So there's this, the little cardboard. I'll just get rid of that. And this is what the tin looks like. And if you want to see the back, I mean, these have been on YouTube a lot lately, so you can see the back if you want. And let's open this up. Alright, so there's the... I'm going to have to do it upside down here. Hang on. Let's go like this and pull this out. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright, so there's the pin. It's a cool little Detective Pikachu pin. Got the coin. And get rid of the garbage. We got the... Here, let me put my hands in the tin. 7 packs. Or, yeah, 7 Detective Pikachu packs. There's 2 extra packs that come with this. It's Crimson Invasion and Guardians Rising. So we'll set those aside. We got some cool neon stickers. You can put these on your car, you can put them on your binder if you have a binder for your collection. There's that. Got the notepad that I'm probably going to give to my daughter. Yeah, it's the same art on all of them. And then the empty lunchbox tin thing. Set that over there, and let's get into some Detective Pikachu packs. So I'm going to try these like I've been opening other packs, and you are guaranteed a holo in every pack as well, by the way, so that's pretty cool. Let's see if we can complete the set. I have a bunch more Detective Pikachu stuff as well. I have the Charizard case file, I have the Greninja and the Mewtwo case file, and I have the, I guess the blister pack Pikachu case file. Alright, so we got a Morlul, a Snubbull, Magikarp, and alright, a Mewtwo. Very nice art. Now I'm going to say very, a lot. My wife makes fun of me for it. So there's the Mewtwo art. You can see the holo in it. And it's got Side Jack for 30 and Break Burn for 130. Alright, let me set that over there. Get into another... Oh, I forgot. They have code cards as well. Here's your free code. You guys are going to get all the codes. I used to play online, not so much anymore. So that just disintegrated in my hand. Let's try this. There we go. Alright. And all of the codes are white, so it doesn't really matter for the Detective Pikachu because they all have holos. And we we got a Charmander, a Lickitung, Psyduck, and a Slacking with pitch for 150. Alright. Code card. Got a Snubble, Jigglypuff. I like that Jigglypuff art, I really do. A Psyduck, and a Arcanine. Nice. With a Security Guard and a Sharp Fang. Alright, let's get into a... Actually, let's see. We'll open the Guardians Rising. See if we can pull anything good. Alright. Just throw the garbage everywhere. Take care of it later. Code card. Alright. Starting off with a Water Energy, Sableye, Energy Lotto, Sliggoo, Wailmer. Sorry, I'm here. Okay. Trying to keep the cards in frame. Rockruff, Machop, Trubbish, Carvana Reverse, and a Oricorio, or however you say that. Alright. Let's open up the Crimson Invasion. And the card you want out, or the card that I want out of the Detective Pikachu packs, definitely want the Charizard. We got the Mewtwo, so that's good. Really wanted that Mewtwo. The Detective Pikachu that comes, not the promo, that comes out of the packs, we want one of those. And I think I got something shiny in this pack, so let's get into it. Got a Lightning Energy. Oh, yep, there's something in there. Alright, Counter Energy, Fighting Memory, Skidoo, Starly, Corphish, Pumpkaboo, Sandalit, a Piloswine Reverse, and very nice. So we got a Gyarados GX, not a full art, it's not textured. And you get Waterfall for 70, Draconic Disaster for 100 plus. If there is any stadium card in play, this attack does 100 more damage, then discard that stadium card. That's actually pretty good. Then Dreadstorm GX, discard an energy from each of your opponent's Pokemon. You can only use this GX attack once in a game. So let's set that right there and get rid of that. And we'll get back into some Detective Pikachu. Alright, we got a Morlul. Nice, we got a Bulbasaur, a Jigglypuff, and another Mewtwo. Alright. Oh, it's our second Mewtwo. See if we can pull the, I've heard it's pretty hard to pull the Detective Pikachu. And there's your code card. And got another Charmander, Bulbasaur, Lickitung, and a Ludicolo. Alright. And here's your code. So we got 2 more Detective Pikachu packs. Let's get into a team up pack. Gotta use the strength. Okay. I just cut my fingernails, so I can't grab onto anything. There we go. code card. 4 from the back. Alright, starting off with a Fire Energy, Kangaskhan, Cosmoem, a Hitmonchan, Litten, Grimer, Execute, Larvitar, Meowth, a Reverse Ingo and Emmet, and a Aerodactyl, non-holo rare. Alright. Open up one more team up, and then we'll finish off the Detective Pikachu packs, and then we'll open up our last team up pack. Maybe, if I can get into the pack. It's a struggle. And there's your code card. We got a Water Energy, Brock's Grit, Pupitar, Electrocharger, Pawniard, Staryu, Honedge, a Weedle, Dratini, a Emolga Reverse, and a Nidoqueen non-holo rare. Alright, let's finish off these Detective Pikachu packs. Alright, so we got our... I don't think I've pulled Psyduck yet, so we got a Psyduck, Magiflap, Charmander. Ah, there we go. Detective Pikachu. Alright. So we got Scout. Your opponent reveals their hand. And surprise attack, flip a coin if tails. This attack does nothing for 80 and has 90 HP. So we'll set that right there and give you your free code. Alright. Last Detective Pikachu pack. Alright, starting it off with a Morlul. Got a Snubble. Psyduck. Ah, okay. So we got a Ditto. And with these, you can see that it's got the holo in the rarity as well. So the attack is copy anything, choose one of your opponent's Pokemon's attacks and use it as, if I could read, and use it as this attack. If this Pokemon doesn't have the necessary energy to use that attack, this attack does nothing. So it could be good, could be bad. So we got a very nice Ditto to add to the collection. And we got the code card. Alright, last but not least, the last team up pack. I haven't pulled anything good out of team up in a while. There's your code card. And got a Metal Energy, Spiritomb, Viridian Forest, Rapidash, Pancham, Squirtle, Klefki, Voltorb, a Weedle, Reverse Persian, and a Lapras. Non-holo rare. That's alright. Alright, so here's the pulls that I had. So we got a Ludicolo. I'm just going through the rares. A Slacking, Arcanine, Mewtwo. I got 2 Mewtwo's, a Ditto, and the Detective Pikachu card. And out of one of the Sun and Moon packs, I got the Gyarados GX Ultra Rare. That are all I'm gonna try and complete the Detective Pikachu set. It only comes with 19 cards in the set, so it should be fairly easy. That's gonna conclude today's video. If you liked the video, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe, and comment down below, and let me know what you pulled with the code cards. and I will see all of you in the next video.